Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI POCO F3 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to video. So here we are. Now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the video we can manage. From here let's go to the left side to the settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and in the video mode we have image stabilization at the second position. By using the button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on to stabilize our video better. So this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.